Please welcome the first participant of Yearly Doll Fashion Show. And here's the second model. She looks splendid.
Ah, the guests! Even our ponies came to see this fashion show.
They're so stylish.
One day we'll be on the runway too. Pony fashion show? Does that even exist?
Hey, that's rude. Are you in some judgment mode?
We knew it, Sammy.
We better get going.
Wait, don't go. We'll show them. Let's make some amazing outfits for you.
This is impossible.
It is a joke, right?
Sue, it's a challenge. Let's take care of the ponies' outfits. Come on. Don't be shy. Me and Sue will transform you into real fashionistas.
So, who wants to go first? Come on. Maybe you? Anybody.
Sue, I have an idea. Who laughs first will go first. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Here's the most laughable. Pinkie Pie, you go first.
Sue, I checked the fashion magazine. There is nothing for ponies.
It's okay. I already know what kind of outfit we'll make.
Then I'll take care of the coloring process. Here you go.
Let's see. That's not it. This too. Pinkie Pie's pink.
It is my secret mission. Ninja magic. I'll do it now. It didn't work. My ninja magic is useless.
Let me help you. Now the magic works. And you know what? I like the result.
Don't rush, Sue. We need to cut out the dress.
What? Fine. Oh, I see that you already took care of it. Let's dress up our pony. Wow!
Oh, my feta. Pinkie Pie doesn't have a mane.
We'll find the best option right now. I forgot how many we have here. Oh.
Is there anything for me? Huh? Let me try one.
Sammy, pony goes first.
Oh.
Pinkie Pie, your mane is upside down. Let's fix it.
We need a tail too. Here it is.
Great, thank you.
By the way, I have a magical brush that can add details. Catch!
Let me see. Wow, it can draw shoes and horns.
And glitter. We need lots of it to shine bright like a diamond. Let's blow it off now. So, I'm a bit tired.
Let's ask our ponies.
This is amazing.
Me and Sue are the masters. Oh, my feta, what's going on?
Oh, look, here we have a little one that likes to hide.
So beautiful.
I want an outfit too.
Tears, what to do? I can't take it.
Thanks for taking care of her. We will dress up our baby right now. Well, what did I say? Now let's take care of our next pony, Rarity.
Sue, what she's gonna wear?
It should be an elegant dress to highlight her fashion taste.
Super!
Let's dress up our Rarity. If there was a ball, she could go there right away.
Wait a bit with the mane. I need to add a couple of details. Yeah. So, is it okay? Not sure though. Just add the mane already.
Thanks, Sammy. And I really like the result.
Let's go have fun. Stay tuned, y'all.
Rarity has a great outfit. Sue, who's next?
Hey, I want to be a star too.
Baby Rarity wants to be a fashionista.
I found Rarity's clothing. And hey, someone has already prepared everything.
Great. I'm sure it was you. Now we have everything for this baby pony's makeover.
My beauty, like that you look even cooler.
Yay! Sue, I'm almost done with Applejack's outfit.
Sammy, hurry up. Where is it?
No panic. Everything's ready. Woohoo!
Sammy, but the skirt needs some color. I'll fix it. Here. Now we will dress up our sweet Applejack. But where is the tail?
Hey, I already prepared it.
That's great.
Check out my hat. I look so grown up.
Baby, this hat is a bit too big for you.
Weird. I don't get it. Who ate my apple?
I was so hungry. I'm sorry, Sammy.
It's okay, little one. I know how to cheer you up.
Sue, look at my cool hat. Hey, Hey, it was mine!
Here's the last touch. Now you're good to go.
Let's go to the mirror. I want to try the hat too.
Fluttershy, don't be shy. Want an outfit?
I drew everything, but you'll have to color it. It is faster like that.
Easy. I'll make the most bright and colorful dress now.
Come on, Fluttershy. We want to see the outfit on you.
Yes, that's all we do today. Choosing the right outfits. Sammy, what's wrong with the mane? It's wet.
I washed it a bit, but let me dry it.
Whoops, baby. It is not your mane. That's better. The new look for a Fluttershy is finally ready.
Can I have a nice outfit too?
Oh, of course. Whoops, what's wrong?
I'm sorry. All manes just got mixed up in my head already.
Let's dress you up now. You're gonna look so beautiful.
Holy cannoli! Now you're a fashion pony team.
But more surprises are yet to come. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we have just 2 big ponies left. Let's pick the next one. And this is, Rainbow Dash.
Once I already drew an outfit for Rainbow Dash. I need to find it.
Oh, you have everything ready. Good job, Sammy.
Oh no. This dress is so boring.
We didn't finish it yet. Wait a bit.
I want to add something too. The babies did great and made a tail.
Thanks, Pinkie Pie. Baby ponies are amazing.
I will take that. Okay, I prepared the mane. Just for Rainbow Dash.
Sammy, this is for Twilight Sparkle. See? Now she looks great. Rainbow Dash, are you ready to shine bright? At any day and with no rain.
Now you, hurry up for the makeover.
Hup, gotcha. Sammy, bring our design.
I'm on it. Wait a bit. Rainbow Dash will be happy. Here it is. Ooh. Here you go.
I will add the last touch to the look myself. Like that.
So, can you take care of the dress for the last model?
Of course. Ponies, help me. Add some bright details to the dress.
Those guys did awesome. And I will add the tail and the horn.
Cool. Twilight Sparkle, it is time to get dressed. And our last pony is ready. Wait a sec. Oh, we almost forgot about baby Twilight Sparkle.
Hold on. It should be here. Yep, I found it. So, let's dress her up. Come on, come on.
Oh, give it to me. It came out great. Go to your friends now.
Then I will make everything ready for the show. We need good lighting. Very good one. Ah!
And a big runway to fit them all.
Babies too? Oh.
Let's start our fashion show. Lights, camera, action. Unexpected.
So fresh.
Do you agree that ponies are fashionistas too?
This is amazing. Just amazing.
Don't you wanna faint from the delight?
Oh!
And why are you still standing?
The show was a success. Give a thumbs up if you like our ponies. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe. And we're going to the Pony Kingdom.